You press this up, light it up. Then turn this knob to the left. Turn it on and wait for it to come back to its place. Let's open this software. After opening the software, the first step is to check the voltage. If the voltage indicates the temperature, it means there is no problem. Because of the new nozzle, we need to install the ink first. We'll install it for about 10 seconds. About 10 seconds. Fill the ink for 10 seconds. Then click Stop. Then click Clean. Single head cleaning, weak. Then we click to change this to 70. Then click Check. To see if all of them are printing ink. White, white. Black, blue. Red, yellow. There are 2 varnishes. Whether it is a complete line like this, without any breaks in the middle, and yellow, it means there are many cracks. And there are many broken lines. It means it's not good. Then it still needs to be cleaned again. Here is X, is the distance from this side to the paper. You start from 70 and then start from here. If you type 170, start from here, then click on a detection. It's better than this side. Then you can. If all cleaning is completed, click on the nozzle installation, then vertical detection. Point vertical detection. Print directly. Let's take a look. These lines of the same color don't exactly overlap, which means there is a problem with the physical installation. Is to the left. This thick line is to the left. It means that the nozzle is skewed. Let's correct. We're going to move the little plank to the left. Loosen the 3 screws of the nozzle slightly. The mediation of this column causes the nozzle to deviate from the direction. Next we try again. Set the starting point of this X to 130. Then do a vertical test. Now look here. Two lines of the same color completely overlap. That means there is no problem. After we finish the vertical inspection,